You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation. A city in Mexico. If you want to learn more Mexican names and their pronunciations, stay tuned. We got many more at the end of the video. The Spanish pronunciation, Mexican, Coatzacoalcos. Coatzacoalcos. Easy once you know Coatzacoalcos. If you cannot pronounce Spanish perfectly, you can say it as Coatzacoalcos. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.